Today I received a package. The wait is over. I've been waiting since the end of January, I guess. But today finally received. This is very exciting. SLP Works, order from Japan Tackle. Put it there. Package says, stickers on it, diver technology, exists same order. And now should we open it up? Very nice, this box. Hair drive design, 80D TO MQ 20th anniversary. Works also there. Stuff in the box. Put it over here. Don't know what this is. It's in Japanese language. Like, don't read it. Adjustment rings for the spool. Some info about the hard glass. Don't know if this is true. Now to the exciting part. Wow. Looks really nice. $50 exist 20s, also on the spool. I ordered this a quick drag. I don't know if everyone has it. Super nice. Even here, 20th anniversary exists. Spool. It's some kind of, I don't know, champagne color or what you should call it. Oh, this looks really nice. I ordered it with 2500S. I ordered mine with sensitive tune. Yeah, it's really nice. different to tell if it's a big difference between my normal exist. Yeah. Looks really nice.